Hi, this is Chrissie Wellington. I'm here at Runner's Need in Canary Wharf.
Just a question from Mike. I'm wondering how you manage to keep such a positive attitude and such a huge smile on your face, even when going through such intense physical exertion in an Ironman.
Because I love the sport, I love racing, I love the thrill of competition, and I'm a masochist, and I try and embrace the pain as much as I can, but actually a smile is often used to mask the pain as much as it is to express enjoyment.
Chrissie, you've achieved so much and are such an inspiration, not just to women but to everyone in general. So if you could pick a defining moment in your career, which would it be?
The defining moment in my career has to be the World Championships at Kona last year. I achieved more than I ever thought possible. I dug to the very depths of my soul, and I had the race that I'd always wanted, both the race within myself and the race with between me and my competitors. So I think for that reason that has to go down as my proudest ever sporting moment.